And then, oh, I did it wrong. Sorry, we did it wrong.
Well, you did want the bloopers just like at the beginning of the videos now, because there's just
Stop. Hi, and welcome back to Bear Food Kitchen. My name is Tina Bear, and welcome to our channel. If you haven't seen our channel before, please subscribe, like, and comment. Let us know what you think about the dishes, the recipes. We'd love to hear from you. Today we are making a artichoke pasta salad, and it's a perfect recipe for the warm season that's on us. So it won't heat up your kitchen. Super easy. We are using a box of bow tie pasta. Just gonna go ahead, dump it on in. And then you wanna use 3.5 cups of water, and you wanna just pour it over the top. Whoops, pink. Splash it around. Now with the spaghetti noodles, you don't want to stir the pasta, but with the bow tie and the penne, the pasta is in the water, so you could give it a little zhuzh, a little stir. You just want them to be wet all over the top. Then you want to make sure you add a little salt to that water. That's how I open the salt. It's my favorite little salt shaker. Just like that. Make sure you salt it good. You just want to make sure that pasta gets the flavor while it's cooking. That's it. And then we'll just set it for 5 minutes. Let it quick release, and we'll be done. Make sure you turn your vent on to seal. And then we'll put the salad together. It's gonna be delicious. So we had the pasta cooking for 5 minutes. I took it out, drained it, and then now I turned on the Instapot to saute, and we are going to add about 2 tablespoons of yummy olive oil. Basically, what we're going to do is warm everything up and cook the bell peppers so they're a little bit softer. So we got a little bell pepper, a little bit of garlic, minced up garlic, my favorite. And we have sun-dried tomatoes. They come in a jar, they have the oil in them, and they are either halved or sliced up. So we chop this up. You want to get whatever oil's in there. And we're adding a little bit of the flavor of that olive oil that was inside the sun-dried tomatoes. And that is just going to add a little extra flavor. Then you want to add your artichokes. These artichokes were marinated and we drained the oil. Throw it in. Yum! Oh my gosh. It's amazing. Give it a little stir. So we're just heating it all up. I'm going to add some olives. And all the recipe is in the description below, so you could just go ahead and get all the measurements. See, we're just heating it through. It's delicious. And then we have fresh basil, and don't use dry, use fresh because it is just so flavorful. I'm going to add about half of this in to get the flavor, just like that. more olive oil. Give it a little stir. That's it. Then we're going to turn this puppy off. And then I'll get a towel because it's going to be hot. So I want to dump it. You could scoop it out. I'm going to dump it because I'm a pro right now. And dump it in. It's really not that hot. And all that oil and flavor from the artichoke, the basil. I have to get every drop. It's so good. Whoa. Look at that. So good. Oh my gosh. So the sauce is going to absorb in the pasta and it's going to marry with the artichoke, the tomato, the olives, the basil, and the bell pepper. And again, you might want to put this in your fridge, let everything marry, put a little bit of basil on top. How easy was that? Like a minute? Oops. Look at that. Summertime loving in a bowl. I'm gonna take a bite. I'm gonna take a bite. I'm gonna get an artichoke, some pasta. Ooh. All right, here we go. Here we go. Going in. It's delicious. Let me know what you think. Give it a go. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Happy summer. Enjoy.